iCloud is down, and the timing couldn't be worse for millions of Apple users who rely on it for everything from photos and emails to calendar events and notes. Today, users across the globe started noticing something strange. Photos weren't syncing, mailboxes were failing to load, and when people tried logging into iCloud via the web, all they saw was an endless loading spinner or a flat-out error. It didn't take long for the issue to explode on social media. Within minutes, hashtags like #iCloudDown, #AppleOutage, and #iCloudFail started trending on X, Reddit, and tech forums worldwide. Frustration was immediate, not just because of the disruption, but because Apple services are typically known for their reliability. What exactly is affected? According to Apple's official system status page, the outage is impacting multiple services under the iCloud umbrella. Users are reporting issues with iCloud Photos, iCloud Mail, web apps, iCloud Drive, Keychain, Find My Notes, and even iCloud Calendar. For many, the apps are not syncing at all, and some features are completely unusable. Imagine trying to pull up an important note before a meeting or access your backed up documents and suddenly, nothing. For professionals, students, and everyday users alike, this is more than just a glitch. It's a serious disruption. Apple has acknowledged the issue, posting a notice that reads, "Users may be experiencing slower than normal performance or may be unable to access some iCloud services." However, the company has not yet provided a cause or a time frame for when things will be back to normal. And here's where it gets more interesting. This isn't just about personal data. Many small businesses rely on iCloud Mail and Calendar to stay organized. Shared photo albums are inaccessible, device backups may be failing in the background, and the interconnected Apple ecosystem, usually a strong point, is starting to feel fragile. Tech experts are speculating that this could be related to server-side maintenance or a regional failure that cascaded into a larger cloud infrastructure issue. Some even believe it could be the result of a failed security patch deployment or a misconfiguration in Apple's data centers. There is currently no confirmation of any cyber attack or data breach, so as of now, the issue seems to be purely technical. But users are understandably nervous. After all, when your entire digital life is backed up to the cloud, even a few hours of downtime can feel like chaos. Some users trying to access their data through alternative apps have also reported failures. Third-party apps that sync with iCloud, like PDF editors or productivity tools, are showing errors when attempting to retrieve iCloud-hosted files. It's important to note that while Apple's website indicates some users affected, user reports suggest that the problem is far more widespread than it appears. This raises questions about how Apple communicates outages and whether the company is transparent enough when critical infrastructure is involved. Meanwhile, users are being advised not to make major changes to their iCloud data until the systems are fully restored. Uploading or deleting content during an outage could result in sync conflicts or even data loss, especially if the data hasn't had a chance to fully register with Apple's servers. And now all eyes are on Apple. When will the services be restored? Will Apple issue a public explanation, or will this remain another one of those silent server hiccups that get fixed quietly overnight? For now, one thing is clear. Even the most trusted tech giants are not immune to disruption. And in a world where digital storage is everything, a cloud outage like this can ripple through the lives of millions in just seconds. Stay tuned as this story develops, and keep your files backed up in more than one place.